guys, it's Vlogmas day 18. Maybe it's when I say 18, just kidding. Yeah, we're going to the shops. Me and Kira. Kira's here. I've uploaded day 14 and 15, and now I'm getting to upload Vlogmas day 16. Woohoo! So yeah, doing not much. I've got to get dressed and everything and stuff like that, and then yeah.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger? 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 What if I go stronger?
Fucking bipolar. Oh, hello.
I feel like I'm in a movie. Oh! Like having an anxiety attack. I got a bit of leaf. Oh my god! Holy shit! Triggered! Nothing feels like cold. This is not a water ride! Pull over. Can we get in your house, please? So as you guys just saw, like I filmed, not all of it, but I filmed some of it.
Oh, yeah.
Not with me, with
Yeah,
my
I got
shirt
some
off.
of it.
There was a huge ass storm, and we were in the car when it happened, and there was a tree. There was a tree that fell on us, like my side, mine and Kira's side. And then there was a tree that fell in front of us. So yeah, it was traumatic. I'm triggered, and I think I'm going to take a few shots of tequila.
I think I need to go to this therapy.
I know, same.
I mean, I already am, but like...
Can I go a little more? But yeah, looks like they just had a big barbecue. And
You're right, what the hell?
but yeah, apparently lightning just hit this tree. So there's like mini branches falling. But look, move kid, if you don't want to be on YouTube, fuck off. This looks scary shit. Oh my god, I can't believe that happened. Oh my god. Damn, look at it.
It's gotta be the wind that did that.
It's like flooded. Oh my gosh. There's big puddles everywhere. It's gotta be the... Well, I don't know. Because that... It's pretty...
It's solid, eh? So like how far?
So it came, obviously, here. Ew. I think that was a dead body.
The dead body.
I don't know what that was. Gonna wash my hands. See, it looks like that. I couldn't have.
That's solid, like that could hold my weight, just that thin bit.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. There's even a
The wind
bolt.
must be so fucking strong.
There's a bolt?
Yeah.
Where? Where's the bolt?
That had to be. Oh my god.
This is some good wood. Hey, it's fun to know.
Don't touch it, make it be splinters.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, but these trees didn't go down, which it's not lean. But how could these trees and those trees withhold, and then that? So I'm thinking it's lightning. Like I know what.
Go stronger, what if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger? 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 What if I go stronger?
So it is currently 11:43. If you can see, it won't focus, but it's 11:43, and I'm going to end the vlog here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 19. Is that it? Yes, Vlogmas Day 19. Peace, love, and happiness, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.